everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I took a break from getting ready for my garage sale to prepare for Pick and Save. I thought I haven't done a Pick and Save video. Now if you guys are like, what the heck is Pick and Save? Pick and Save is a affiliate of the Kroger group of grocery stores. I love Pick and Save. I used to hate shopping at Pick and Save until about maybe a year or two ago is when they bought them out, but it's still 50% Pick and Save and 50% Kroger. So I don't get all the great deals that everybody does, but I still get some decent deals. So I knew that there's a buy 5 get 5 off. I love those sales. They just had one like 2 weeks ago. So I got baby wipes because you can never have enough baby wipes, and I don't just use them for the baby. We use them for wiping up things, cleaning things. We have it everywhere, so that's what I had to do. And then when I saw the sales set reset again, I had to do this. So if you guys are wondering what's going on, I have baby Charlotte with me. She needs to be everywhere I am, like literally everywhere I go, and I take her couponing with me, but she wants me to hold her, so it's really hard. So then somebody suggested get a harness, and I had one, I just could not find it. So as we're preparing for the garage sale, I found it. So right now she's just passed out, and I can get things done because I have 2 hands. So yeah, so you're like, Jennifer, just shut up and show us the haul already. So I went shopping with 2 kids. I know, it was bad. Benjamin's just been driving us nuts lately, and he had to get out of the house so Graham could get some stuff done. So it was, for me, usually taking about 20 minutes in the grocery store. I was probably in there for an hour. Yeah, but anyways, I'm here to share with you guys what I got. Now, I got everything in bags, but I didn't even undo them because I don't want to wake her up. But what I ended up doing is Kool-Aid. Ben's really obsessed with Kool-Aid, and now with the summer coming on, it's nice to have some Kool-Aid around. I know that's not the greatest for you, but hey, I grew up on Kool-Aid. I even dyed my hair with Kool-Aid when I was a kid. But these were $1.99 on sale. They have that deal where if you spend $5, you get 5 off. So you guys would get $1 off for each of these, making these just 99 cents. Now we do have a coupon in the 428 Smart Source. Now I'm not going to do the breakdowns for you guys because it just takes up way too much time, but I do have all the inserts written down for you guys so you guys can, you know, see the coupon, and then I tell you what insert they are in. So just giving you guys a heads up on that. Otherwise you can go to coupontom.com, and you can actually just search in Kool-Aid and it'll tell you what insert it is. So you guys would get these for 99 cents. You guys want to use that $1 off of 2 coupon that we got from about a month ago in the 428 Smart Source. You guys would get both of these for just 98 cents. That comes out to be 49 cents a piece. So I said, Ben, you get whatever you want. So he ended up getting grape and tropical punch. Oh my god, I didn't hit her. So I ended up getting those because I like making slushies, and then they actually have on here where you can make popsicles. So I thought that's kind of cool. So we got that, and then I also got, sorry you guys, I'm unprepared. I also got the pink lemonade because Ben and I love pink lemonade. So I ended up getting 2 of these. That's the same deal, same different coupon insert, but it's the same page with that. So I ended up getting pink lemonade so we can make some lemonade. So that's the same deal for that. The next thing I got is I got Ken's ranch dressing, and then I also got the Ken's Simply Vinaigrette. So these were $2.49 with the buy 5 get 5 off. They come out to be $1.49. Now we do have a $1 off coupon that we got from the 512 Smart Source. So you guys would get these for 49 cents. Now there's 2 different coupons for those. So I got ranch because we love ranch. We go through ranch like crazy. And husband said he wanted Italian. So 49 cents for some sauces. I'm like, yeah, definitely do that deal. I should go back and get some more ranch because like I like to stock up on ranch. That's one thing we never ever are like, do we need to buy more? Yeah. I also got the Sweet Baby Ray's. I got buffalo wing sauce, and then I also got sweet red chili marmalade sauce. Now, funny thing is, my husband made some chicken wings with this stuff before. It added peanut butter. I did make a peanut butter and jelly chicken wing video one time. People are like, it's gross, but it's really, really good. I know it sounds gross, but really good. But anyways, these were $1.99. With the buy 5, get 5, you guys would get these for 99 cents, which is still a pretty good deal without the coupon. But I used a $1.50 off a 2 coupon in the $5.19 Smart Source. You guys would just get these for 48 cents. That comes up to be a quarter a piece. Like, you cannot go wrong. And right now it is sauce season, you know. I love it. I'm going to have my husband make me some more chicken wings because I love me some chicken wings. So, yeah. I got an air fryer and I should really learn to make chicken wings out of my air fryer. That's my goal to learn how to do before I go back to work in 2 months. So, yes. Sorry, I'm just unorganized today, you guys. My kid is driving me nuts. Not the good one, the older one. So the next deal I got are the completes. Now these are not the greatest, but I'll still eat them if I need to. If I'm really like desperate for food and I need something. But these were $2.29 with the buy 5 get 5. They come out to be $1.29, which is for a meal. It's a pretty decent deal. I have a $1 off a 2 coupon that I used in the 5.5 Smart Source. So you guys would pay $1.58 or get these for 79 cents a piece. So that's a decent deal, 79 cents a piece for like a meal. I usually, when I used to go on my lunch break at work, I used to eat these like crazy. So yeah, and they don't expire for another year. So yeah, can't go wrong with food. I know I'm trying not to say can't go wrong with that, but I just do that anyways. Now, I went crazy with the Huggies baby wipes. Now, check your guys' receipts because what happened is my buy 5, get 5 didn't come off. So they had to refund me money for that stuff. So, but these were $1.99 with the buy 5, get 5. They come out to be 99 cents. I used that $1 off of 2 coupon that we got from our inserts. You guys would get these for 98 cents for every 2 of them. So I got 8 because I can usually use about 4 coupons per transaction. So I didn't bring those down here because they're all identical, but I did get 8 of these for $4, I think. Or yeah, for $4 for 8 of them is an awesome deal. So had to get some baby wipes. And then there was also a 50-cent digital coupon for the Pampers. Now I love getting the Pampers wipes because they have a point system. Huggies does too, but they have to do it by receipt, and here I just type in a code. But I don't know. I like the Huggies wipes because I just use one and I'm done. But the Pampers, I like their point system a little bit better. So I know it's hard, but this was pretty much the same deal. These were $1.99. With the buy 5 get 5, they were 99 cents. There was that 50-cent off digital coupon. You guys would just get this for 49 cents. So had to share with you guys with some baby wipes because I will be needing them for a very long time. I even still use them on bed to clean up stuff. So yeah. The next deal I got is the Garnier Fructis shampoo and conditioner. These were $3.29 with a buy 5 get 5 off. They come out to be $2.29. I used that 3 off a 2 coupon in the $5.19 Retail Me Not. Sorry, I've had like 4 hours of sleep. You guys would pay $1.58, or these come out to be just 79 cents a piece. So I usually say $1 for shampoo is a pretty good deal. I do know we're getting other coupons this next Sunday, so there might be another second haul I might do because you cannot pass up some easy freebie deals. So sharing you guys with that deal. I ended up getting the Ben & Jerry's ice cream. I love these. When I was pregnant, I ate like these like crazy. So these were $3.99 with the buy 5 get 5. They come out to be $2.99. We do have $1 off a 2 coupon in the $5.19 Retail Me Not. So you guys would get these for $4.98. So I had to get some because I love it. But this is like three or four times. I eat this about 3 or 4 times in one, not in one sitting, but just a scoop here and there. So they come out to be $2.50 a piece, which I think is a pretty good deal, especially for Ben & Jerry's, because these are usually $5. So for $2.49, I will take it. The next ice cream deal I did was the Ben & Jerry's pint slices. Now, I've never had these before, and I thought, you know what, I'm going to try it anyways. So these were $3.99, $2.99 with the deal. There is the same coupon for in the $5.19 Retail Me Not for $1 off just for one. So you guys would get this for $1.99. And there's 3 ice cream bars in here with caramel swirls, fudge cover waffle cone pieces covered in dark chocolatey coating with waffle. I'm not a dark chocolate fan, but you can't go wrong for $1.99 for 3 bites. So sharing with you guys on that. Yeah, I had to get bags. Usually I like to use paper bags, but with my rummage sale coming up soon, I need bags because nobody brings bags, and I'm like, how are you going to carry all your stuff? So I like to share that. Ben was with me, obviously, and he wanted some snacks, and so did I. So he just started putting stuff in the cart. I'm like, no, I have to have everything all factored in. So I ended up getting some Gushers. These were $1.99. I didn't have any coupons for it. I'm not sure if there's any coupons out there for it. Oh my god, I'm yawning again. It's crazy. But these were 99 cents. And so he ended up getting the Gushers. He ended up picking out the Betty Crocker Toy Story 4 gummies. So he wanted those. I ended up getting the fruit roll-ups. And then I also got myself the red Gushers because I like it. When we go for walks, I like to take it with me. And, yeah. Save up to $5 on your next shopping trip. Oh, I got a Catalina, but it's not a coupon. And then the next deal I got, in case you guys are interested, my son helped himself to this already, was the cereal deal. Now, I just needed 2 more items to get the buy 5, get 25. So I had 25 of the buy 5, get 5 items, and I did it all in one transaction. But these were just $2.49 with the buy 5, get 5. They come out to be $1.49. So I think $1.49 for, like, some cereal is a pretty good deal. This is the Post. So husband really likes this brand, the Honey Bunches of Oats, honey roasted, and I'm really craving Golden Crisp, so I had to get that. But yeah, that was my haul. My total for everything came to $28.46. I got 30 items for $30. I mean, 30 items, everything pretty much like $1 a piece. I think that's a pretty good deal. I mean, I want to get more food stuff for you guys to share with you guys because it's like we got a lot of personal care products. Like you can get Stay Free and Carefree right now for $1, but I have so much of that stuff I don't need it, so I just kind of passed on that. There was some other deals here and there, but I didn't really need it. So, but other than that, I want to say thank you guys for watching. Charlotte is awesome. She let me do my video without crying, and now I gotta edit it. But I'm just going to be wearing her like crazy because it's just so much easier getting things done. She just wants to be with her mama. But other than that, I hope you guys have a joyful day, and I will see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.